Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tax Sale Newbie. I'm Cassie. That's right, I am the tax sale new beginner, but I like to share what I have learned and what I have got from tax sale. And maybe you become interested in tax sale but don't know where to start. I saw a lot of YouTube video and I learned from them, and I want to share with you, and you can start learning with me together. I will use my understanding to explain the process of tax sale, but if you want a more legal definition and the process, I will also post it on my Facebook, Tax Sale Newbie Cassie Cullen, so you can find me and we can learn together. So first of all, I need to explain what is tax sale and what is sale tax. So a lot of people, they don't understand. They even never heard of tax sale before. Even I asked the realtor or accountant what is tax sale, they always reply to me, our city sale tax is 8%. They mix the sale tax and the tax sale together. They are totally different concept. Sale tax is a tax. So every time you go to the store, you buy anything, the government will charge you percentage, everything you bought, and that they use the money to do a lot of things. For example, you go to the store, buy a TV. TV costs $100, but actually you have to pay $108. The extra $8 is the government used. They charge it. So sale tax is just a tax, but the tax sale is totally definition. So sale tax is everywhere, but tax sale it's a way of auction. Tax sale is just a way of auction. So you may hear that when A buy a house, he borrowed the money from the bank, but he has to pay the mortgage every month, but he didn't pay. And what happened next? The bank as a lender can go through an auction called foreclosure to sell A's house and get the borrowed money back. Tax sale is the similar way of the auction, but it's not from the borrowed money. So as a homeowner, every year you have pay the property tax. So that's the government charged for the homeowner who has the house and have to pay the property tax. So if the A has the house, but he didn't pay the property tax the end of the year, the county, the government has the right to put the house on the tax sale to get the property tax back. So why government put the A's house on the market? It's very easy because the government wants the property tax. They want the money. They want to do something. But A didn't pay the property tax. So the government every year, they will organize an auction called tax sale. So now we can easily defer the foreclosure and from the tax sale. So foreclosure is the bank, the lender wants to get the money back. But the tax sale, it's the government want to get the property tax money back. So for the house owner, so we just suggest you have to pay your mortgage and your property tax. But if you have problems, you still have the way to get the money back. If you see your house is on the foreclosure or even on the tax sale, you still have time and you have to do something. I can explain this process in the future video. Please follow. Let's go back to a simple example of the tax sale. So A didn't pay the property tax. For example, in California, you have to wait 5 years and the county can put the A's house on the market. And right now, after 5 years, A own county total $50,000 property tax. He didn't pay. The county starts the tax sale process. So the county usually will make couple notice to the house owner and tell him what will happen if you don't pay. But if you still still don't pay, they will start in the tax sale, and the county will count all the money you owned and the interest you have to pay or the penalty. For example, total is 55,000. Right now, the county put this house on the tax sale auction, and the bidding starting from the 55,000. And the B joined this bidding, this auction, and he win for $100,000. So the county will transfer the deed from A to B. So B right now will be on the deed, on the house deed, and B is the actually owner right now. So in this situation, both county and B is very happy. The county gets the money back, and the B get a very cheaper house than the market value, because the house market value may be worth $200,000. But now B only pay $100,000. It's like 50% off. I heard that some successful tax sale bidder can get a house even cheaper than $50. There's a lot of a way to do that. So that's the way we have to learn. So wait, maybe you have a lot of questions right now. You will ask, what happened to A? So unfortunately, A lost the house. And what else A can do? Can we help A? Yes, A can ask for a lot of help, but it's really depend on his action. He needed to contact the county, and he need to pay the fine and the bidding. He need to do a lot of things, and each state, each county has different rules. So we can talk about it later. And you may ask, why A didn't pay the property tax? Compare the market value. The property tax is really less, right? So it really happened. Some people died, and the house didn't find the people to transfer to other people, or the house had problems, and the A just get rid of this house, or the A is a LLC or trust. When they transfer the documents, they forgot to pay the property tax. There's a lot of reason A didn't pay. But in California, if A didn't pay 5 years, there must be some reasons for that. So again, you can see through this example, B got a very good deal house. He only paid $100,000 and get a $200,000 house. So this example is really easy, simple example, but actually in the tax sale deal, this happened every day, every deal. We just need to dig in the gold in the sand. Now let's review in this video. So first, sale tax is just a tax. The tax sale is an auction. The second, foreclosure is also an auction, but the foreclosure is by the lender, the money you borrow from. But the tax sale is by the county, the government, who wants you pay the property tax. So from this definition, we can see as an investor, we can get a house or land or any property with the very low price if we do good research on this property and win the bid. So the following video will starting to learn how to do these things. And I'm calling all the new tax sale newbies. Please contact me. You can contact my Facebook, tax sale newbie Cassie Cullen, or you can email to me, taxsaleNewbie@gmail.com. I really like to do the research on your property. You interested, and I can share what I searched, so you can make your own decision. We can learn together, because tax sale have so many interesting things will happen every day, and it's really hard to find the people can really talk with you the deal you are interested in. I learn from my teacher too, but teachers always busy, and I sometimes like to talk to other tax sale beginners, and we share the information. I think that's a good way to learn each other. So please follow me, and please contact me if you have any tax sale question. We'll see you next video.